What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Animal today, giant tortoise. So I'm on a landscape page, use pencil eraser and hit pause if I go too fast. So we're going for the full body, the shell, the whole lot, right? So we start with his head just over here. It's a real small head, right? Just in this space. So I have to zoom in for you, right? And his head's real small. So we just start with this eye shape, right? So just like a grain of rice. Like that, right? And their eyes are just black, really. So draw in maybe a circle just there, and then we'll color it black, but we're going to leave like a white shine in the top corner. Okay, and then we'll have like some skin just coming around the front and the bottom. Just some wrinkles and stuff. Okay, they do have like a little eyebrow thing. So just like a little bump just on the top of their eye here. Some scales. And then, so the beak, right, coming from like the corner of the eye, close to it, right? So we go up. And then it goes sort of down. And sort of curves into the corner there. And then we have this sharp, pointy part here. And then his mouth goes back this way. Okay. And then his nose comes up. Then around. And then it kind of bumps up here for the eye and the other forehead sort of on the back. And then we got like a nostril there. And again, you can add like textures and bumps and things to all this. And then this comes down like so. And you can add some like textures to the shells like that. So the head keeps going back. Like so. And then we got like some more sort of wrinkles and stuff here. So maybe some of these circles together just to show these kind of scaly. And then chin, bottom of the beak. So bottom of the beak, and then the neck is real long, so it just goes like chin and neck. It's all like one thing. Goes down to there. And there is like a little bit of a jawbone just kind of here. It just goes around, joins the head. And then some more of his neck just there. So we got to make his neck kind of like wrinkly and stuff. So we add some of these wrinkle lines. And these curved lines that go around his neck just kind of make it look a little bit three-dimensional. They're kind of vector lines. That'll be the fancy word for it. So you're just curving around the shape. And it makes him look a little wrinkly as well. Okay, so he's got like a foot that sticks out here. So like just like goes out. Right, it's kind of bumpy because he's got like all this skin that folds around his foot. And this disappears underneath the shell. And on the bottom down here, so this foot like comes out to some toes. They're kind of sharp, you know, he's got like claws kind of. And then this comes back up around like this, and then he's all skin folds and stuff here, and then lots of texture. So like his neck, you want to do sort of that same sort of thing with the wrinkles on his skin, and you can have like actual like clusters of, see, scales like that, just put together if you want. It's just an easy way of making a reptile look sort of bumpy and stuff. It is a reptile, right? No, it's not a reptile. Isn't it a reptile? Oh, I don't know now. Amphibian or reptile? Anyway. So his other knee kind of bends around his body, just back here. And there's like a chunk of his shell sticking here, right? So this is his leg that goes like back that way. You can't really see the foot on the other side. So now, the biggest part of the tortoise, the shell. So go bumping, wavy, a line like that, and this will continue to bump across here. Like that. And then the top of the shell, so we go up, and this is like real bumpy, right? So he's got like these hills going up. Kind of looks like the top of like a pie or something. Do you know, like a cake or something like that? That's what it reminds me of. And then this goes up, down, around like so, and then the edge, right? So before we do all the detail in here, you got to do like the part that's on his belly, okay? So it like comes down underneath his arm, like in here, right? And then comes underneath another bumpy sort of line. It doesn't have to be exactly as bumpy as mine, you know, you can do it your own way, sort of. And then like more wrinkles inside his skin section here. We also have 2 feet, so another one this way. Right, this is like his back of his leg. And this comes around to like claws. Kind of round, some of them. And then we got like more skin folds. And textures. And his other foot just kind of like sticks out back here. In this picture anyway. And it's kind of like a fin slash foot. That's what we're going for. I think I missed a toe here. And again, scales. Wrinkles like that. So, details on the shell. So we go around for the rim, just here. Like that, right? And then these are all divided up into sections. So, curved lines here, say. And then here. Like so. And down here as well, right? So there's a little section like here. It looks like an edge or something on this. And then underneath. so, and then it's like broken up down here too. Right, and then all big squares inside here. So, and by square, they're not like perfect squares. So we've got, say, a line that goes that way, and then it goes there, and then down to there, and then this one goes up, down, around to there, and then we have another one here, so, and then this one goes there and down, and then we have ones on top, one there, there, and then say here, like so. And textures all inside here. Now the textures kind of follow the shape on these, so you don't you just like go around like this, just a light sort of line like this, but you just keep going around. Kind of like that on the inside, right? And there can be like some cracks and other sort of lines and stuff inside as well, but we'll just keep it sort of simple. So you just go around lightly. Doesn't have to be a full heavy line, you know, it can be just light suggestion like that, right? And that's enough, you know. And over here, and on these as well, it seems like they just go kind of crisscrossy sort of. And then sort of dots and squiggles and like as much texture and detail as you want. Right, but I think I will leave it there. It's a tortoise, a giant tortoise. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.